In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Smartsheet and use it to share your work more efficiently. If you manage a team in Smartsheet, creating groups is one of the easiest ways to stay organized. Instead of sharing sheets, reports, dashboards, or entire workspaces with people one by one, you can place users into a group and then share with that group all at once. This saves time, reduces mistakes, and makes ongoing access management much simpler. To begin, open Smartsheet using an account with admin permissions. This is important because only the appropriate level of access will allow you to create and manage groups. Once you're signed in, head to the admin center. In some environments, you may instead see group management, depending on your plan or account setup. Either way, this is the area where groups are created and maintained. After you're in the correct section, click the option to create a group. This will open the setup screen where you can define the group. Start by entering a clear and recognizable group name. It's a good idea to choose a name that reflects the team, department, or purpose of the group, so it's easy to identify later when sharing items. Keeping names consistent can be especially helpful if you manage multiple teams or projects. Next, add users to the group. Select the people who should have the same access through this group. Take a moment here to confirm that the right users are included, since this group may later be used across multiple sheets or workspaces. Organizing users thoughtfully at this stage can save you time later and make access control much more manageable. Once the group name and users have been added, save the group. At that point, the group becomes available for sharing inside Smartsheet. Now that your group is created, you can use it whenever you share content. For example, when sharing a sheet, report, dashboard, or workspace, simply choose the group instead of selecting each person individually. This is especially useful when several people need the same level of access. It also makes updates easier because if someone joins or leaves the team, you can update the group membership rather than changing every shared item one at a time. That's how to create a group in Smartsheet and use it for streamlined sharing. When set up properly, groups help keep permissions cleaner, faster, and much easier to manage over time.